Here I am outside of Piotr. This is the group. There's Shako, that's Ata, that's Murnik, and the band. That's Murnik. Here's Griffonia. Hey, Griffonia. There's the band. And this here little one, as you can see, he's already attached. That's Murnik. There he goes. There's Murnik, his brother. Maybe we can get them to play a bit.